gonna race Keenan and Hot Ethan. Muscle Keenan and Hot Ethan. And Jake the Gamer world, out of control world. Soon enough I will, and I'll have a lot better footage.
Down by the finish line.
Where is it? Yeah, we're gonna do something fun right after this. They're racing. Where's the finish line? Where's the finish line?
Right where the sidewalk meets the driveway.
Where? Right here? Okay. I'm waiting for Carson. 3, 2, 1, poop!
I'm about to stick my middle finger up.
Don't.
I won't.
Keenan. Yeah, Keenan.
Yeah, what?
Okay, he did. And then it was you, and then it was Carson, and then it was him.
What? You were like this.
Show the replay.
Okay, bye.